I don't have any other clients for today. You don't have to rush off.
Pizza. Crispy base. No olives.
You know me so freaking well.
There you go, my lovely.
Thank you, sir. You know, you are the only one who puts the money in an envelope. I like that. Makes me feel like I'm a proper businesswoman or something.
Well, you are.
Oh, yeah, right.
Have you thought about what you're going to do? You know, with your savings?
Are you trying to pitch me a bank account or something?
Sorry.
Oh, God, I don't know. The only thing I can think of is repairing motorbikes.
Motorbikes?
Yeah. I used to do it all the time. It's actually how I met my first douchebag boyfriend.
An old girlfriend of mine was into motorbikes. We used to go riding along the coast road. Her driving, me on the back.
Where was that?
Westcliff-on-Sea, in Essex. I got into so many fights because of her.
You said you were from London.
I am.
When was that?
What?
This woman you were with?
20-odd years ago. I haven't seen her since. I was only with her one summer. Hey.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
What? What have I done?
I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be fucking sick.
Leah, what's happening? Talk to me.
Just shut up! Just fucking shut up, okay? And just leave me the fuck alone!
I'm not going anywhere whilst you're like this. Leah, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm from Westcliff. And the motorbikes. I learned that from my